Want to capture the Android market with a lightning-fast checkout experience? In this video, I'll show you how to set up Google Pay for your Shopify store to reduce steps at checkout. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Google Pay provides a seamless, one-tap payment method for millions of Android users, and integrating it with Shopify is incredibly simple. Similar to Apple Pay, Google Pay is automatically enabled when you use Shopify Payments. To check, go to Settings, Payments in your admin and look for Google Pay in the Wallet section of your Shopify Payments settings. If Shopify Payments is active and your store is in a supported region, Google Pay will be available to customers checking out on compatible Android devices and the Chrome browser without any extra configuration from you. You can test the functionality yourself by visiting your store on an Android device or Chrome browser and proceeding through the checkout to see the Google Pay button. A crucial pro tip: a fast checkout is critical. Google Pay automatically fills in shipping and payment info, dramatically speeding up the process. This directly combats cart abandonment and can give you a competitive edge. And just like that, you've optimized your store for the vast Android user base. Offering Google Pay is a key step in creating a universal, accelerated checkout. Do you find that one-tap payment methods like Google Pay improve your mobile conversion rates? Let me know in the comments. For a popular BNPL option, subscribe for our next video on how to enable Klarna on Shopify checkout. Thanks for watching.